Hello everyone, welcome to cybersecurity. In today's video, I am going to show you how password cracking works for PDF, zip and RAR files. I will be doing everything live on my screen so you can follow along step by step. Before we start, just a quick disclaimer. This video is strictly for educational purposes only. Use these techniques only on files you own or files you have permission to access. Any unauthorized access is illegal and I do not promote misuse. Okay, so now why would you even need this? Sometimes you create a PDF or zip file for yourself and forget the password. Sometimes you download a file and the password is mentioned somewhere, but later you can't find it. So today I will show you how password recovery works for files. One important thing to understand first, we never crack the file directly. Tools like John the Ripper work on hashes, not on actual files. So the process is always the simple. Step 1. We will extract the hash from the file. In step 2, we will attack that hash using a word list. This logic applies to PDF, zip and RAR. So let's start with the protected PDF first. As you can see on my screen, I have 3 files. One is a RAR file, another one is a zip file and the third one is a PDF file. And all of 3 are protected with a password, even I don't remember now. So we will try to crack them. So first I will show you the files are protected with the password. As you can see, it requires a password and I don't remember the password. Zip file needs a password, RAR also requires a password. So let's start with the password protected PDF first. Now I will just cd into my password folder, which was YouTube and then cybersecurity and then crack PDF. So here we have 3 files, as you can see in my file manager too. So we will try to open this PDF file first. We will be using a tool called PDF to John and then we'll use John the Ripper to crack that PDF. PDF to John will extract the one hash from the file. So here is the command. First we will write PDF to John and then the name of the file of which we want to extract the hash of. Which is in our case is protected file.pdf. Now it gives us a hash value. Now we will store it into a file and we will run John onto it. So let's just store it into a file named pdf.hash. Now we will try to run John on it. So John is basically a tool which can brute force many types of hash algorithms and I am using a word list which is rockyou.txt. John is pre-installed on Kali Linux. If you don't have it on your Linux system, you can install it using this command. So you do like sudo apt install John. As I already have it, I will skip this part. So now we will crack this hash using John. I am using rockyou.txt word list. You can provide it using this argument -- word list equals to /user/share/wordlist /rockyou.txt. Then we will give it our hash file, which is pdf.hash. So now John has started its work. As you can see, it gives us a password. It is secret123. Now we will copy this password and we will try to open this file. So as you can see, the file is open now. The password was secret123. Now we will try to open the passwords of the zip file and the RAR file. We will use this same methodology. So the process will be the same. We will be using a command called zip to John to extract the hash. We will write zip to John, then the file name, which is protected.zip in our case. So now it will give us a long string of hash value. We will just store it into another file which we will name zip.hash. Now let's run John on this using the same rockyou.txt word list. As you can see, it gave us the password instantly. Now we will try to open this file. So here is our password. We got the password for zip file too. Now moving on to the final file, which is our RAR file. For RAR files, we will be using RAR to John. Yeah, so let me check the file name. So it is secure.rar. So we will run RAR to John. We will write the command like this, RAR to John, then the name of our file. It will give us a small hash value. We will store it into another file, which we will name rar.hash. So let's run John on this. So as you can see, John is running on this too. My CPU is just spiked and we will wait for it. And one important thing to remember, this attack will not work if the password is too long and random and properly created. So that's why exactly strong passwords matter. Keep your password strong always. We will just wait for this to finish. As Rocky you have millions of passwords, it can take a long time. So finally, we found the password. It was hard to find. It took 9 minutes and 42 seconds. So this is how password recovery works for PDF, zip and RAR files. If this video helped you understand the process, make sure to like, subscribe and let me know in the comments what topic you want next. This is Cyberflux Security. Learn ethically, stay secure.